pump up el sabor and I'm gonna turn my huevos rancheros into a huevos divorciados cazuela. I think that huevos rancheros is one of the most popular ways to make eggs in Mexico, and they typically go dressed in a salsa roja. But we're gonna pump up the sabor right here, and we're gonna make a divorced egg casserole with not just salsa roja, but salsa verde too. And they're called divorced eggs because you make a mess as the salsas mix up on your plate. And here we're gonna make an even bigger mess because we're gonna cover it with cheese and it's gonna go in the oven. So we're gonna start with the eggs. Crack 2 eggs per pan, add a little salt, then I'm gonna cover. I like to cook them like this because that way they're not super fried and they cook evenly. So as these cook, I'm gonna start assembling my cazuela or casserole. So the base of my cazuela is gonna be pinto refried beans because they don't have to be heated up first because they're gonna heat in the oven. Let me see how these are doing. Oh, nice, look. And because I'm gonna put the casserole in the oven, I don't want the egg yolks to be fully cooked. So I'm gonna hurry up. I'm gonna add my layer of ham. And now we're gonna add the eggs right over the ham. And you can see the egg whites are nice and firm, but the egg yolks are still very runny and they're still gonna cook a little bit more in the oven. I love eggs so much. I think I eat eggs every single day in one way or another. I don't wanna mess this up. You guys, that was good. So we have the eggs, we have the beans, we have the ham, and now we're gonna sauce these. This is where the name divorced eggs or huevos divorciados comes from. You add the 2 salsas and it's called divorced because one side is green, one side is red, and then when you eat it, you make a mess. And then I'm gonna add the cheese. You want melty cheese. And I'm adding Oaxaca, which is like a cousin of mozzarella, but a little bit more salty, a little bit more tangy, but you can use any melty cheese that you like, and you can even make a combination of melty cheeses. And I'm just very happy right now because this looks so very pretty. Okay, so now we have our divorced egg cazuela with the beans, the ham, the eggs, the sauces, the cheese. And now we're gonna take it a step further and we're gonna bake it in the oven so that the cheese starts melting and mixing with the sauce. In the oven? Awesome. Perfect! Look at the cheese! I'm deciding which half is mine because now I don't remember where the salsa roja is and where the salsa verde is. Oh, bubbly, cheesy. Ah, so perfect for a late brunch or lunch or early dinner. Midnight snack. I really wish you could be here to see this mess, but now you can make this delicious mess your mess. You can pump up el sabor just like me. Follow along for more ideas.